Hi, I'm Andy, welcome to Renovate Innovate. Today's video, we're going to be showing you, or talking you through this reception area build. It's been a great little thing to do, a few innovative ideas. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell, get notifications of all the other videos we've got on there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Right, all done, that's it. We've got the ceiling in, stretched in. 20-minute job. It's really transformed this room against the light boxes that we've had put in, and we've got the RGB controller for the lights, so we can just change. We've not quite got it right yet, just change the effect we've got on there, but I think we've nailed it. I think we've got it done. Right, so there we are, that's our reception room finished. We'll just have a little recap of everything that we've done to get it looking like this. Remember what this was like before? They were just plain plastered walls. We lined them all with the MDF. We've had to move some of the light switches across to accommodate these ash slats that we put on. We made these light boxes. We've put them on all nice and evenly spaced, and we put this bit of cloaking around the top. Wow, what else did we do? Oh, we even put the top hat ceiling on. Moving up to that. Yeah, the top hat ceiling with the light effect underneath. This amazing picture of this dog in the pool. Yeah, and also we've got this feature that we've put on here which is looking great with a moss effect. It's got the company logos on there with these awesome looking signs. And we've also got the radiator down here, a little heater. Okay, so these are the amazing signs we've had made up on this acrylic with these chrome standoffs. The inlaid neons, which look fantastic, and some surface printing as well, which really brings it out. Right, so there we go. We've had the main refit all finished. There's a few little more things to put in, objects to put in. We've got a little table to make the customer wants. It's been a fantastic project from start to finish, and we've worked really closely with the customer. A few things have changed on the way, but it's looking fantastic now. It's been a great project, and if you want to see more projects like this, please head over to our channel. You see loads of other things that we've got, including making of this table. That should be on there. And if you've liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. And thanks for watching.